Hey, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here in the well-known place of my hometown. Today I'm going to explore Rampur Jheel. Yes, I'm in Rampur Jheel today. Yes, this is Rampur Lake and this is very popular. But you can say that there is no people here, but I'm here. So let's explore Rampur Jheel and do some enjoy, baby. Let's go. So first of all, we have to buy a ticket before entering inside this jail. There are lots of famous things. Today I'm gonna show you. Don't worry, don't worry. You can see this is the gate of this lake. Yeah, this is the gate. And I have this bag of money. I'm so rich today. Woohoo! Let's go, man, and buy tickets. Yeah. Excuse me, sir, can I get 2 tickets, please? Here I'm purchasing 2 tickets because one is for me and second is for my cameraman. Here you go. He hasn't changed. So we are gonna pay online. Now it's time to explore Rampur Lake. Let's go, baby. Oh, you will take ticket. Here you go. I think we came here at the wrong time. No one is here. Oh, here is beautiful grass. Man, can I do like that? Woohoo! Come on, come on. Let's go and run. What is that? What is that? This is dustbin. Yes. Oh my God. Finally, I show India Gate. Is that India Gate? Yeah, as I think. This is India Gate in my hometown. You can see, but this is not real. Absolutely, this is fake. This is fake. Yeah, you can see. Oh my God, I think it's made by carpet. Yeah, have a look. Oh, also it's broken. So sad, buddy. So sad. So sad. Oh, I like this tree very much. Oh no, some people farming here. How is this possible? Oh my God. Yeah, bro, yeah, look. This is horse. Look his position. What is that? Hey, baby, what are you doing here? You should be in the forest. Why are you standing here? Go in the forest and enjoy your life. Why are you wasting your time in this Rampur Lake? You are not eating anything. I know. They are not giving you anything. Okay, by the way, I pray for you. You will get a good place to live. Here are different types of animals. Woohoo! Oh, is it? Look at this. Mickey Mouse. Hello. I'm meeting you after a long time. Hello, Mickey Mouse. Oh, man, this is my friend, Hulk. Oh, he's my friend. I met him in dreams. Oh, I love you, man. Hey, I'm here. Dude Riaz is here. Dude Riaz here in your area. But you can't do anything. I know, man. You are so innocent. Yes, I know. He's the father. He's the father of all animals. I'm looking around. Hey, man, I'm looking around. Oh my God, I saw Burj Khalifa here. Let's go. Oh my God, look at that Burj Khalifa. Wow, this is massive Burj Khalifa in my hometown. Have a tour. Let's go. Oh, but I'm so sad, man. I'm so sad because this is broken. I'm not feeling like I'm seeing original one. I saw one more interesting thing, man. Look on Eiffel Tower. This is not in Paris. This is in my hometown. But this is fake. This is absolutely fake, man. Yo, this is fake. Hey, baby, I'm gonna climb. Hey, baby, I'm gonna get on this Eiffel Tower. Can I climb? It can fall. Hey. Oh, Oh my God! Finally, I'm getting on this Eiffel Tower. Woohoo! Subscribe my YouTube channel, dude Riaz. Okay, it was really enjoyable moment on Eiffel Tower. Hey man, I'm coming back. Wait for me. Hey my lovely cameraman, wait for me. I'm coming back. All right. Oh, so sad, man. So sad. Finally, I found a shop of some street food, but this is closed because of some reason. I don't know what is exact reason, baby. But I could find here samosa, aloo tikki, or pani puri, burger, chow mein, fried rice, momos, veg roll, macaroni, etc. Hey man, I think here is a shop of ice cream. Would you like to try ice cream here? But the owner isn't here. Hey man, where are you? I'm here at your shop. No one is here. Let's go. Try later. Oh. Oh. Hey. Look at that. Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar. Oh. Hey. Ooh. Qutub Minar. This is Qutub Minar. But this is fake. This is artificial Qutub Minar. By the way, everything is organized in manner. Everything is so perfect. Look! Astaghfirullah, astaghfirullah, I can't dance, baby, it's haram. Oh my God. This is too long. This is really amazing monument. Zip line is also available here, but this is off today. Yes, this is off. Yeah, so I'm not gonna do zip line. I'll do it another day. Let's try and explore new thing. Oh my God, what an amazing view here. Woohoo! Oh, oh my God, skyscraper. Look at that skyscraper. Oh, I'm looking for the first time that long skyscraper. Hey, who throw this bottle here? Who throw, baby? Hey man, who throw this bottle here? This is not dustbin. This is our beautiful India. So keep it clean. This is my advice for you. Can I keep it on my head? Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Let's move ahead. Oh my God. Oh no. Finally, I saw a wonder of world. Oh my God. I can't wait to enjoy this moment in my life. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at the wonder of world. Wow, so beautiful. You know guys, this is Taj Mahal. Yes, this is a wonder of world. I never expected I'll find it in my hometown, especially in Rampur Jheel. Hey, who threw this bottle of cap? Go back, back. This is Taj Mahal, man. This is Taj Mahal. Wow, you can see the beauty of fake. So what do you think about the real one? Real one is absolutely is great. Taj Mahal. Who made it? Who made it? I wanna kiss him or her hand because this is really amazing. Amazing. Yeah, the white color suit on Taj Mahal. But you know, this is not made by marble. This is made by iron. Iron. Yeah, exactly. Hey, what happened to my cousin? Hey, are you okay?
Yes, I am so tired.
You are so tired. Oh no, man. Why are you smiling? Why are you not understanding me even I'm speaking so basic? everyone can understand. You just enjoy this beautiful monument. Hey, this is so beautiful. Guys, you know, we are so tired and we saw a grocery shop over here. So we are gonna have something now. Let's ask the shopkeeper what he has special on his shop. Let's go. Oh man, here is so trash. Uncle, what do you have? Hey man, I bought some snack and 2 cold drinks. This is for my cameraman and this is for and he is the owner of shop. You can see. Hey man, come here. Let's enjoy this. Hey look, this is Jira cold drink, a popular cold drink. Let's enjoy some cold now. Shake well before drink. What happened? Bismillah. Ah, amazing, really. Do you like it, man?
Yes.
Alright, I have already. Why will I take yours? Amazing combination of snack and cold drink. Can I sit over there? Ah, this is better now. Hey man, hi. How are you? Oh, very good. Can you speak English? Ah, a little kid was speaking English. He only said I'm fine and nothing else. People is coming, but we are going back because we have explored entire Rampur Jheel. So we are going back, guys. So we can't do anything, man. And if I talk about my experience here in Rampur Jheel, it was really good and amazing. But I literally did not enjoy that much I expected here. Now I'm going. Hey animals, I'll miss you. Hey, I'll miss you. Okay, if I miss you in the future, so I'll come again to meet you. Okay, let's go. So guys, it was my tour here in Rampur Jheel. I literally enjoyed. It's my own experience. But I'm not telling you to visit this Rampur Jheel. Yeah, this is located in my hometown. Hey, buy goat, buy sheep, horse. So guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, then subscribe.
Then Joda.
Hit the bell icon. Alright, subscribe. Okay, bye.